Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
camcorder cases.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Tailored to fit the most popular high-zoom camera or compact camcorder, Case Logic's DCB photo cases ensure your equipment is stored safely, yet is instantly accessible when you are ready to shoot. The clean design aesthetic is accented with vibrant red detailing. These cases zip open for convenient top-loading access. Inside, a smooth ripstop lining protects your high-zoom or camcorder's LCD display. Logical organization and multiple pockets provide ample space for your equipment and essential accessories. In the high-zoom case, store your charger behind this flexible reinforced panel that flattens out of the way when not in use. In the camcorder case, a slim, deep pocket provides similar storage. Memory cards or batteries are organized in this internal zippered pocket so they will not fall out of the opened case. More accessories? Zippered exterior side compartments keep cords, lens caps, and other items organized and accessible. The DCB 305 camcorder kit bag features additional interior space and storage options for larger camcorders, chargers, and extra accessories. Carrying options include a top handle and a removable shoulder strap. From compact to SLR cameras, these DC vent or memory as you are. Case Logic, life simplified.